But for a minute, they were more warped and twisted than my sense of humor. How y'all doing? I'm Big Al and welcome to the garage. Today we're doing something a little different. We're building ourselves a workbench. Got these uprights here, about 4 feet wide, actually about 4 feet square maybe. We are going to build a workbench out of these. So let's get to it. About time to make this garage into a more usable automotive shop. Workbench is going to go a long way towards doing that. Now, let me see how I can do this. So these are the uprights. These were made for a day bed that I was building. Kind of an aborted project. We decided it wasn't going to work. Now, I'm just looking at these and get down here. Oh, wow. They actually do fit. I thought for a minute they were more warped and twisted than my sense of humor. So, this is half the battle. I got a bunch of free lumber from my father-in-law. So we're going to saw that down and make the horizontal pieces that'll support the actual bench, which I'm making out of a piece of OSB that I'll probably have to throw about 100 coats of polyurethane on it, but that should do it. All right. So you're actually sitting up on the front of the Corvair. Maybe that's the best angle. Pardon all the junk over here. That's my wife's crap. Just pretend that doesn't exist. We're going right here in the corner. Can you still see me back here? Well, pardon me. So, top of our bench is going to be about 2 feet wide. So we've got to cut the 2x4s that I'm going to use for the top part. Just have to measure how thick these two 2x2s are. Let's get a ruler. Figure that one out. Remember, folks, measure twice, cut your thumb off once. Okay. So, we have about 2 3/4 inches on this side. Oh, they are warped, twisted. And even 3 on this side. Well, you gotta love Home Depot. You know, typical junk wood. Let's get this piece. We'll mark this off, get my miter saw out, cut it down. Did I actually bring a Sharpie up here? That would have been... I did. Sharpies, whenever you need them, they're always in short supply. Okay, so you're going to measure off 2 feet, 4 inches, 2 3/4, right about there. So I'm going to mark that off there. 24 inches here. 22 3/4 here. I'm going to measure off a 3rd one of these to put in the middle. And I'm also going to have to cut the tabletop down. That's going to be fun. Let's see. Did I put my safety glasses back in here? I don't think I did. Okay, so mega OSHA violation. Let's see. Oh, I think I put them over here. Oh, they're right here. Safety first. I know, pretty tough talk from someone who drives a Corvair. Let's get out the miter saw. Power tools start making some noise. Gotta do this now rather than at night because people are trying to sleep. go. One incredibly handy tool. And it's on top of the cord. No problems. Let's see. Can y'all see what I'm doing? You don't want your hand anywhere near that blade. I don't think I need to tell you that. Don't you just love the way the blade rings like that? That's two. Need to get another board and cut that one down.
A few moments later.
This ain't the Taj Mahal. It doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah, and I know 2x4s are probably overkill for this. And 2x2s are a little flimsy, but hey, this was all free. I salvaged every piece of this workbench. Never hurts to be resourceful, especially these days. This will go on the pile of lumber that I'm going to use someday, I swear pile. Okay. Put this back up where it belongs. I should really clean it off, but hurry. This is a good fit for this thing. Hopefully that'll live on top of the workbench when I'm done with it. Okay. So, let's adjust that camera angle a bit. You can see me a little better. It's going to go where you see those two pieces of OSB. Alright. Just like Bob Vila, only I actually do the work. Yeah, we need to start drilling and screwing and clamping. One of my favorite little woodworking tools right here is this 90-degree clamp. It's just a hair big for a 2x4. Well, that would have been nice, but it's just a hair too big. Oh. We'll just have to improvise. Like I said, I'm not building the Taj Mahal. I probably should pre-drill this, but I'm going to be stupid and just try and send a couple screws home with the impact. Maybe I'll get lucky. Maybe. This is the part of our job. You've got 6 hands. If the clamp was bigger, it would help, but it ain't. This is probably not going to fly, but let's just get him. Oh shit, that's not where I want to be. Yeah, this is going to go over like a lead balloon. Gotta pre-drill it. You know that when you have a drill, it's required by law that you do that. Alright. Here's the screws. 13/16 is a little big. Three 16ths. Still one smaller. Perfect. Oh, 3/16ths. Yeah, that's the one I want to use. This is just a lot of lather, rinse, repeat. Maybe I want to time lapse this. Okay, so we have the structure built. Now, next thing I have to do, put the tabletop on, cut it down to size, which will require my circular saw. First I gotta get this clamp off of here. Oh. This is the smooth side. And well, it doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to do a job. Let's see what I got for screws. Drywall screws. Perfect. Now where did I put the impact? Right here. A little wobbly, but not terrible. I like it. Last thing, we gotta just cut this end off so it'll fit. And we're good to go. Alright. Short line out. Always a little nervous using a circular saw. You know, they can jump back, they can be unpredictable. Definitely a safety glasses tool. Well, you want to kind of be off back from it a bit. Alright, cleanup time. Shot back over here, clean up all that sawdust. Pretty much done. Okay. It is a little wobbly. Other than that, it's not terrible. Okay. Thought I was going to have a raised back part of this, but unfortunately my storage drawers here are not going to allow for that. Move these Corvair heads. They're still going to live underneath. Okay. But fasten this across here, hang stuff on it. Well, if I'm going to do it, I might as well do it now. going to say good enough. So, yeah, I think the legs are just uneven. Next thing's next, let's get it situated. Now, obviously this is OSB board, it's very rough. So, that's probably going to require about 100 coats of polyurethane. Maybe our next video. Polyurethane and I don't always get along. I work on cars more than I do carpentry. Oops, get in there. Where you stuck on? Yeah, that's not too shabby right where it's situated. I like it. Okay, just a little tidy up and I think I can call this done. I'm very happy with how this turned out. This guy comes here. I have a light, it's the best, but we'll come up with a better solution at some point. This is great. I can rebuild carburetors and do small stuff here and not have to sit on the floor anymore while I'm recording videos. It didn't cost me a penny. Well, okay, I did have to pay for the screws, but just not recently. And some of the lumber I did pay for, but in the dim and distant past. So, not bad for a few minutes worth of work. Anyway, that's all for this installment. I thank you for watching. I hope you will please like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next installment.